Film review, lesson number 3.5 in your syllabus. Writing skill, film review writing. Yes, how to write a film review. Children, writing a film review requires time and proper organization. Children, it's not just about writing what happens on the screen. The main purpose of a film review is to inform the reader about the film and its idea. There is a need for the unbiased and objective approach. The review determines whether someone will want to see the film. That means film review should be detailed enough to provide assistance in making an honest decision, that is, whether the reader wants to see it. Children, why it is a school or college assignment, you know? Yes, you are supposed to get more insight into your critical thinking skills and the ability to report event in a manner that others understand easily. In addition to that, you are expected to assess the way you analyze plot and characters. After all, film reviews involve the analysis of events that happened in a documentary on regular film. It develops your capacity to sum up the events and report it in a cohesive, logical, and interesting manner. Dear children, here are some important steps for writing a film review. First, watch the film or documentary or movie more than once and take notes of the major and minor events and characters. Secondly, carry out a thorough research. Look for details such as the name of the filmmaker, his or her motivation to make that film, location, plot, characterization, events that served as an inspiration for the film. Collect information that provides more depth to the review. Thirdly, analyze the movie after you watch. You first understand the movie, children. Evaluate the movie or the film from beginning to end. Rewatch it if you need. Yes, rewatch the movie. If you find some parts confusing, watch again. Next, draft an outline. You will write the review in a concise and cohesive and logical manner. Include examples you make about the film. Mention examples of the situation, scenes, characters, and so on. Provide examples when commenting on dialogues, on locations, or plot. It is essential to back up your claims with evidence, children, to gain the support of the reader. You can appreciate the film. Yes, you can criticize the film, but that should not be without reasons. Dear students, consider and comment on the film's originality and quality of scenes. Now, you must know how to organize your film review. Write down the introduction. First, write down the introduction, mention the title of the film, mention the date of the release of the film, mention name of the script writer, producer, director, characters, mention obviously the type of the film. Summary of the story of the film is very important. Children, summarize the film for them who have not watched the film yet. It's very important to analyze the plot elements, rising actions, climax, and so on. Dear students, creative elements like acting, locations, plot, characters, moral, music, direction, set designs, background music, sound and recording quality, camera techniques, costumes, mood, tone, symbols, imageries, or anything that contributes on the overall plot are very important to mention. Next, I'm coming to the concluding part. Yes, conclusion. Children, there should be a proper announcement of concluding the film review. Whether the filmmaker is successful or failed that should be mentioned in the part of conclusion. You have to restate your evidence for that, whether the filmmaker is successful or failed in his or her purpose. You have to restate your evidence. Explain how the motion picture is helpful for providing a deeper understanding. Use proper language while writing the film review. Use nice vocabulary, proper vocabulary, I mean, and edit the film review. If possible, re edit the film review before presentation.
Let's see a general question, or you can call it an ideal question. Question will be like, write a review of a film that you have recently watched based on any 4 of the following points. So there are 6 points and you have to pick any 4 points. Like names of the characters, main and supporting roles, about the story or theme of the story, and this point will give you 2 marks. So you will have to write this point in your answer. Why did you like or not like the movie? Special features, novelties or novel ideas. Novelties means new ideas. Novel ideas means new ideas. Music, dance, song, action, direction. Should others watch this movie? Would you recommend your friends to enjoy, watch this? Why? Now let's see movie review of Three Idiots. So the first point is names of the characters, main and supporting roles. You need to write the characters in the film are not too many. Main as well as supporting characters could easily be memorized. The leading characters in the film are Rancho. In bracket, you will have to mention the real name of the character, that is Amir Khan. Farhan means R. Madhavan. Raju means Sharman Joshi. Tia means Kareena Kapoor. Dr. Veeru Shastrabuddhi, that is Boman Irani, and Chatur Ramalingam, that is Umi Vaidya. Other supporting actors also played their role effectively. Some of them are Mr. Qureshi, Parikshit Sani, Mrs. Rastogi, Amardeep Jha, Mr. Rastogi, Mukund Bhatt, Ranchor Das, Shyamar Das Chanchad, that is Javed Jafri, the real Rancho, Joy Lobo, Ali Fazal, and young Manmohan, nicknamed Millimeter, that is Rahul Kumar, etc. So these are the main and supporting characters of the movie. Now let's see another point, the most important point of your answer, that is about the movie, about the story and theme of the film. So the story revolves around 3 collegians or youngsters who defy the conventional and outdated attitude towards life in particular and education in general. The conventional faulty system of education with all its defects is represented mainly by Rancho and his friend Farhan. They even try to convince their friend Raju not to study in typical manner and try to learn via innovative methods. Veeru Shastrabuddhi, who is the principal of an engineering college, is highly conventional and hates every kind of innovations. He just tries to assert into the mind of his students to be the best in studies and get good jobs. His views are shared by Chatur, called Silencer, who is a bookworm and hates taking risk in life. Rancho believes in learning more from life and people than from the classrooms and books. He takes side of innovations and taking risks. At last, he makes his friends to go after excellence, and all of them become successful in their fields. I'm sure you must have watched this movie, Three Idiots. So you can easily write the film review of Three Idiots. Let's see another point. Why did you like or not like the movie? So this is a very common answer and you can write in any answer. Any film review, if you are writing, you can easily copy paste this. I like the movie Three Idiots as it is very humorous and teaches us to pursue what we like and understand most. We should not participate in the general rat race. Rather, we should run after excellence and not success. If we follow this, success will come to us. Fourth point is special features, novelties or novel ideas. Rancho, who is very innovative, does the delivery of the principal's elder daughter by using an electronic equipment, a vacuum cleaner. He uses many electrical equipments and his brilliance. Being a college student, he is highly talented and makes electrical instruments like inverter and drone camera. Let's see another point, music, dance, song, action, direction. The music to the film is given by Shantanu Moitra. The dance direction is of Avit Das. The songs are composed by Swanand Kirkire. Rajkumar Hirani successfully directed the film. Now let's see the most important point. Another most important point after storyline. Should others watch this movie, would you recommend your friends to watch this film? Why? Definitely everyone must watch this movie. There are many good messages conveyed through this movie. For instance, the first class photographer is more respectable than an engineer who gets good salary. We should work for our satisfaction and not only to get job or money. Life offers opportunities to all. There is always room for fresh ideas and innovation. So that's all about the film review of Three Idiots. So if a question will come on any movie that you have recently watched, you can easily write the film review of Three Idiots if you have watched this movie. So I hope you have got whatever I have taught you in this short video, and if you have any question regarding this particular video lecture, you can ask me in